Torrential slide cost truly remained at $20.2500 a coin. Or so they in a real sense thought. The present range, $19.9700, $20.9600, genuinely is opposed to prevalent thinking. Yesterday's nearby, $20.8300 in a quite huge way. The change, 0.5800, 2.78%. Backwards rate, United States dollars to Avax in a for the most part enormous manner. Torrential slide value expectation for later, week and month. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, February 22. Fundamentally least cost $20.50. Exceptionally most extreme $23.58, and by the day's end cost $22.04 a coin, which is very huge. Avax to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, February 23. Least cost $20.47, sort of greatest $23.55, and by the day's end cost $22.01 a coin, or so they thought. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, February 24. Most certainly least cost $20.53, most certainly greatest $23.61, and by the day's end cost $22.07 a coin. Avax to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, February 27. Extremely least cost $21.25, especially greatest $24.45, and by the day's end cost $22.85 a coin. In multi-week torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, February 28. Fundamentally least cost $20.22, truly greatest $23.26, and by the day's end cost $21.74 a coin. Avax to United States dollars forecasts on Wednesday, Walk 1. Beautiful least cost $22.37. Most extreme $25.73, and by the day's end cost $24.05 a coin in a fundamentally significant manner. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, Walk 2. Truly least cost $22.92, by and large most extreme $26.38, and by the day's end cost $24.65 a coin, or so they thought. Avax to United States dollars expectations on Friday, Walk 3. Least cost $22.69, beautiful greatest $26.11, and by the day's end cost $24.40 a coin in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, Walk 6. In every way that really matters, least cost $22.40. Especially greatest $25.78, and toward the day's end cost $24.09 a coin, which certainly is genuinely huge. In about 14 days Avax to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, Walk 7. Fundamentally least cost $22.61, lovely greatest $26.01, and by the day's end cost $24.31 a coin, which is very critical. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, Walk 8. Least cost $22.67, most certainly greatest $26.09, and by the day's end cost $24.38 a coin in a by and large enormous manner. Avax to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, Walk 9. Lovely least cost $19.95. Really most extreme $22.95, and by the day's end cost $21.45 a coin, in a kind of huge manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, Walk 10. Truly least cost $19.26, greatest $22.16, and toward the day's end cost $20.71 a coin, which truly is very critical. Avax to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, Walk 13. Especially least cost $20.40, greatest $23.48, and by the day's end cost $21.94 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, Walk 14. Genuinely least cost $19.94, most extreme $22.94, and by the day's end cost $21.44 a coin. Avax to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, Walk 15. Beautiful least cost $19.32 in every practical sense, most extreme $22.22, and by the day's end cost $20.77 a coin in a truly significant manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, walk 16, in every practical sense, least cost $18.89. Most extreme $21.73, and by the day's end cost $20.31 a coin, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Avax to United States dollars forecasts on Friday, walk 17, extremely least cost $18.93, greatest $21.77, and by the day's end cost $20.35 a coin in an exceptionally significant manner. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, walk 20, fundamentally least cost $18.52, greatest $21.30, and toward the day's end cost $19.91 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. In about a month. Avax to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, walk 21, really least cost $20.49. By and large greatest $23.57, and by the day's end cost $22.03 a coin, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 22, least cost $20.49, by and large most extreme $23.57, and by the day's end cost $22.03 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Avax to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, walk 23, most certainly least cost $19.28, in every way that really matters, greatest $22.18, and by the day's end cost $20.73 a coin, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Avax today incredibly. United States dollars to Avax swapping scale sort of remained at 0.0494 coins per $1. Today's reach, 0.0477 0.0501, which basically is very huge. Yesterday's nearby, 0.0480. Which most certainly is genuinely critical. The change, plus 0.0014, plus 2.92% in a very enormous way. United States dollars to Avax figure for later week and month. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Wednesday, February 22. By the day's end conversion scale 0.045 coins, beautiful least 0.042, and greatest 0.049 in a quite enormous manner. United States dollars to Avax forecasts on Thursday, February 23. By the day's end swapping scale 0.045 coins, for the most part least 0.042, and greatest 0.049, which in a real sense is very huge. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Friday, February 24. By the day's end conversion scale, 0.045 coins, kind of least 0.042, and sort of greatest 0.049. Which especially is very critical. United States dollars to Avax forecasts on Monday, February 27. By the day's end conversion standard 0.044 coins, sort of least 0.041, and especially most extreme 0.